Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how GroovePages can revolutionize your YouTube strategy by helping you design effective marketing funnels that turn viewers into loyal customers. Imagine this: you've just released an amazing video that addresses your audience's needs. Views are coming in, and comments are buzzing. But how do you take that excitement and transform it into sales? With GroovePages, creating these funnels is not just a possibility, it's a breeze. A marketing funnel is essentially a guided journey that takes your viewers from interest to purchase. Here's how it works. First, attract your audience with engaging content. Once they finish your video, send them to a visually stunning landing page created through GroovePages. This landing page highlights your product's unique benefits and includes social proof, like glowing testimonials from happy customers. But why should you believe this will work? Well, research shows that businesses leveraging optimized marketing funnels can experience conversion rates soaring by up to 300%. Many content creators, like Lisa, a lifestyle vlogger, saw her sales double in just 1 month after implementing her first funnel with GroovePages. Now, let's talk about measurability. With GroovePages' powerful analytics tools, you can track every click and interaction. Want to see how many viewers converted after watching your video? Or which elements of your landing page resonated the most? You'll have all the insights you need to refine your approach continually. Whether you're looking to sell online courses, promote affiliate products, or grow your email list, having effective marketing funnels designed in GroovePages is essential for increasing sales and building lasting customer relationships. So, are you ready to turn your YouTube passion into profits? Now's the time to take action. Here's what you can do next. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial with GroovePages today. Dive into the world of marketing funnels and watch your conversions soar. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your online presence. Thank you for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.